Hi everybody, how are you doing? My name is Maureen Kane. I'm the founder of the LinkedIn Breakfast Club, an amazing online community of people who love LinkedIn and want to learn how to generate more business. So today we're going to talk about hashtags. So let's dive straight in. So hashtags are so important for two reasons. One, to help get your LinkedIn post seen by the right people. And secondly, to get your LinkedIn post seen by more people to increase your visibility. And we all know the more visibility can help you be seen and help raise your profile to attract the right type of people and generate business. So here is the old Google we can use is the 50 top LinkedIn hashtags 2021. If you Google this is just one of the many polls, but what I would suggest is make sure it's fairly recent. This is May 2021. So for each post, I would suggest you use between 3 to 4 hashtags on each post. I do suggest varying them to some degree on every post. I don't necessarily use the same different for in each one, but I certainly will mix them around. Whatever you do, top tip, do not use hashtags linked to what you do. Use hashtags linked to what your target audience does. For example, if you are a coach, don't use hashtag coach, hashtag coaching. Use hashtag leadership, hashtag construction, hashtag accounting. Industry sectors are great for targeting of the industry sector that you want to target. So also what I would suggest is using a couple of the most popular ones. So let's say, for example, some of the ones that I would use, hashtag innovation, a huge 38 million people following that. Hashtag digital marketing, 27 million. Hashtag technology, 26,000. Future, blah, blah, blah. So I would say try and use 3 to 4 of the top 100 hashtags. Of course, try and use ones that are relevant. Just don't put just random ones. But if you use 2 to 3 of the bigger ones and maybe one or two that are specifically target to your target audience, that's going to really help you be seen. For example, I would use things like branding, social media, marketing, entrepreneurship, digital marketing. Try and use ones that are relative. But number 1, use hashtags. Number 2, try and use 4. Don't use 25 hashtags. Number 3, mix them up. Do use a couple of these big ones. This will help your post be seen by thousands and more people. It's absolutely key to use hashtags. So don't use the ones, if, for example, you're in retail and you're selling something, don't use hashtag retail, use hashtag management, hashtag construction, hashtag accounting, the target audience you're targeting. That's pretty much it. And I'll just show you for an example on my post. So today my post is about LinkedIn posts, surprisingly. And I used hashtag, so normally this is quite a short where I'd use headline, body of the post, question, 4 hashtags, LinkedIn, entrepreneurship, sales and marketing, digital marketing. And if I go to another one, I used, it's internal, and even polls you should use them, networking, digital marketing, innovation, entrepreneurship. This will dramatically impact who sees your post. I cannot emphasize enough. Use some of the bigger hashtags, help yourself get seen by more people. Thank you so much for watching. And do subscribe so that you get notified of any future videos. Thank you.